Are you thinking of raising chickens as a hobby, start a business, or follow the trend of tasting the rich golden eggs of omega-3, but you have no idea how to start or plan your flock? The RGV Small Acreage program held a workshop at the food bank in Pharr, Texas, for those that want to learn basic care and egg production. Dr. Craig Koffel, Associate Professor Extension Poultry Specialist, spoke about basics, from planning to choosing the right one.
What the proper nutrition for a bird is producing eggs, and just kind of talk about different feed ingredients that are good, some feed ingredients that you should avoid, and just kind of go over basic poultry nutrition. What my goal today is to try to give you some basic information about poultry production, some basic management tips and practices.
Participants asked questions with concerns like Michelle Medina. She wanted to know about diseases in chickens.
I think a lot of people have questions about that or the use of antibiotics, and I like that they're addressing it, that it kind of gives you some peace of mind that the diseases that chicken carry aren't necessarily, that they don't get passed on to humans. So I think that it's really nice that he discussed them and also the vaccinations, because I wouldn't have thought of vaccinating my chickens.
Dr. Cynthia Claiborne from San Benito SBISD, she attended to learn more in chicken care since the district started a hatchery in one of the schools.
In researching them before we got them, the main thing that surprised me was how good they are for children and how they are becoming actually service animals. And people have chickens in their home like with diapers and bandanas on, and they really help with blood pressure. They help calm our children with special needs. You know, they calm them down, and it's just amazing. I never knew a chicken could be so good for so many things.
The Chicken Basic Care and Egg Production Workshop was a success. Participants learned important information to plan their flock. For more videos, you can visit us on our website, and you can follow us on Facebook for updates and upcoming events.